What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2018 GMC Denali 6.2 liter V8. Got some custom wheels on it. Really nice truck all the way around. What we got done on it, factory converter there. Got factory converter there. Third converter there. Flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. And what we added is a CARVEN R muffler part number. I always lose the part numbers on these. CVESR25. Be a link in the description for it right there. Then we expanded it out to 3-inch. And then what we got done also is did a resonator delete. The resonator comes on these out the side. And finished it off with a 5-inch black rolled stainless steel tip. 5-inch stainless steel tip. Black, I don't know where I got that from. Anyways, there it is. Complete the look right there. So resonator delete, CARVEN R, 5-inch rolled tip. There's the muffler that was on it. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. That sounds good. CARVEN R, resonator delete, 5-inch tip. That sounds really nice. Sound decibels. Again. 101. Go ahead and back it up. Perfect sound. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. GMC 6.2 liter. CARVEN R, resonator delete, 5-inch tips. Oh yeah! There she goes. Beast mode. Wow, that sounds so good.